Hello and welcome to this full body yoga stretch. This short practice is perfect for any time of the day to work on your flexibility. You don't need any extra props and we will begin in a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged or come into thunderbolt position sitting up on your heels. Find what feels better in your body. Relax your hands onto your thighs. Sit up nice and tall. Then drop your chin to the chest and gently circle it from one shoulder to another, making half circles and stretching your neck. You can close your eyes if that feels good. And tune into your body. Notice how this movement feels. Slowly bring your head back to center. Place your left fingertips on top of your left shoulder and begin to circle your elbow up and back and down, making circles with your shoulder. A few dynamic movements here to warm up the shoulder joint. And then reach your left arm back into open twist. Look back to your left hand. Use your right hand on your knee for support. Gently twist in the upper back. Breathe in and out into your chest. One more inhale. And exhale. Bring your left arm forward, cross your right arm underneath, bend the elbows and either place your hands on top of the shoulders or hold your wrist or palms together for eagle arms. Inhale, lift your arms, lift your elbows, lean slightly back. Exhale, round the back, drop your chin to the chest, elbows to belly. Inhale, lift. And exhale, round, a seated cat and cow variation. Move with the breath, inhale and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. With your next inhale, reach your arms out wide, lift your heart, pull the shoulders back. And exhale, release hands to the thighs. Other side, right fingertips on the shoulder and roll your elbow back. Stretch your right arm back into open twist. Look back to your right hand. Inhale, open a bit more into twist. And with exhale, release, bring your right arm forward and cross your left arm underneath. Again, placing hands on the shoulders or catching your wrist, your palm. Inhale, lift the elbows and exhale, round the back. Continue to move with the breath. One more time, inhale, lift. Exhale, round. With the inhale, open your arms out wide, look up, and exhale, release your hands to the sides. Come into your hands and knees into tabletop position. Lift your left knee and circle the hip out. Staying stable in the rest of the body, just moving from your left hip. You may hear some clicking sounds in the hip joint. That's okay as long as it doesn't hurt. Straighten your left leg back, release your toes down, and press your heel back and forth a few times, stretching the calf and the ankle. Then cross your left leg over to the right and look back towards your left heel, stretching the left side of the body. Come back through center and bring your left foot forward where your left hand is, coming into lunge position. Lengthen your tailbone down and lift up through the lower belly. Keep your left hand on the knee for support. Reach your arm up and lean to the left into side bend. Keep gently pressing the hips forward and leaning more to the left. Breathe. Slowly release and make your way back into tabletop. Same sequence on the other side. Lift your right knee and circle the hip out. Straighten your right leg, release the toes down and press back and forth a few times. And then cross your right leg to the left. Lengthen the right side of the body and look back over your left shoulder to your right heel. Slowly release and bring your right leg forward into lunge. Lengthen the lower back. Reach your left arm up. Gently press the hips forward and lean to the right. Breathe in and out. Begin to release, position your hands down, bring your right leg back and come up into downward facing dog for a few moments. Walk your feet out on spot, press the heels towards the ground, maybe shift the hips side to side, maybe shake your head. Then walk your feet forward towards your hands. Cross your left ankle behind the right and sit down into cross-legged sit. or come into cross-legged sit any other way. Cross your shin bones so they are kind of parallel to each other. And then gently lean forward over your legs, place your fingertips down. And try to relax in this position. You probably feel a deep stretch on your hips, outer hips, inner thighs, groin, maybe lower back. Roll yourself up to seated. Close your eyes for another moment, hands on the knees. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Put a gentle smile on your face and open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you feel a difference after this short session. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!